Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, everyone. You're here with your friend Mark the Builder, and we've got something pretty special going on behind us today. This is a horse arena that we built 15 years ago. So it's absolutely massive. As you can see, we're talking 26 meters across the front and 66 meters deep. It's 5 meters to the knee and completely clear span throughout the whole thing. We've used all the best products, New Zealand Steel and Colorsteel on the walls. I'm not 100% sure on the colours, but I believe Pioneer Red and a beautiful cream colour on the walls. The contrasting colours together work really well. They've sort of got that old New Zealand country feel, but just pop and look really good. So inside, it's a full sand pad on the ground. So we had to drill huge piles into the ground, concrete them, and then build the shed on top. But it's a full horse jumping arena set up so that people can come and practice jumping and they can do events here. So yeah, it's just absolutely amazing, the size of it and how good it's all looking and holding up after 15 years of use. This is just sort of starting to show this year we're celebrating 20 years in business, so we've been building sheds for a long time, but now we're going into the pole barns and pole stables. It's just showing how long we've been in the horse game and what we can do. So we've got Brian's niece here, Zoe, and she's got a horse. She's right into horse jumping, and she will have a few clips of her doing her thing on her new horse Halo. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So obviously, if you're interested in a big structure like this, you can get in contact with us, talk to Glenn, Bronick or Thomas. If you're wanting a wooden set of stables, definitely talk to Thomas the Timberman, and he's going to be able to guide you through that process and help you out. Oh well, let's have a look around. So now we're out at the outdoor a bit. It feels like I'm at the Olympics with this amazing facility all behind me. Beautiful setup so that they can practice doing the full course of jumping. They've got a big bit where they can jump into the water and all the rest of it. So absolutely phenomenal set of grounds here, and just so awesome to see it all. And then in behind us we've got our big beautiful shed. So look at that, absolutely massive, and just looks so cool in the background there. So it gives you that feel for that's 66 meters long and 26 meters wide, all clear span. We can go up to 35 meters, so this is getting right up there with the full size we can do. So absolutely beautiful. Here we are around the other side of it, or the other end of it, and you can see these big sliding doors in behind us. So they're clad in tin, and then a product that is like T-rib but with lots of holes in it to let in really good ventilation and a bit of light. So they've got those all closed up from the predominant wind coming this way, so it just gives it a bit more shelter. But in especially summer when it's nice and warm, they'll open those the whole way up. So all 100mm downpipes on it, and very big, what look like 225 gutters, so to get all of that water off the roof and run it all away. Our traditional style of barge with the step in it, which is a great way to tell whether it's a Waikato shed or not, is that I'm really enjoying the colour scheme here. Often now we're just going one colour on sheds. It's really cool to see these two contrasting colours working together. So absolutely fantastic. Cool, so absolutely amazing being in this arena, watching Zoe do some fantastic jumps on a new horse, and just seeing the whole place working for its intended purpose. It's just really cool what you can do in a shed. Like we always say, like Sean always used to say, you can do anything in a shed, and that just absolutely goes to show. In a Waikato shed, we can build you a shed that can have a whole horse arena. You could have a truck workshop in it, have your hobbies room, have your man cave, have a house, just absolutely anything and everything we can build for you in our shed structures. So super cool seeing this, that it stood the test of time, and will continue to stand the test of time, and just all looks so good. And yeah, just really exciting for what's ahead, and exciting for what we've done in the future over 20 years of building sheds here at Waikato Sheds. Great sheds done right.